What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's talk about XRP because I've been mentioning XRP quite a bit for the last, I don't know, 4 months, something like that. I've had XRP, maybe it was a little bit longer. I've had XRP for a while. I had a little bit of XRP, and then I decided to truly go all in. Investing anything I do have. If I do have any type of spare money, I'm trying to throw it in on XRP and see what XRP can do because I believe that XRP, the price, the use, Ripple's implementation and kind of infiltration of banks is just going to be a big deal. Now, I currently have over 10,000 XRP and I consistently keep buying. I have about 12,388 XRP and I'm not done yet. So let's go ahead and talk about XRP. Let's look at my overall portfolio, what I plan on buying in the next maybe couple of days or week or so, and how much I plan on holding in the end. So, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, you can definitely do that over there. Now, also, we have a new Patreon, a brand new Patreon that is called HG Access. It's a Patreon as well as the Discord group. The Discord group is where all the magic actually is, where you have all the connection between different YouTubers. It's not just one YouTuber, it's 20 plus YouTubers with over a million plus subscribers, between us and different people that specialize in talking about certain projects, certain big market cap projects, small market cap projects, meme coins, all of that stuff, right? So if you want to check that out, the link to HG Access is in the description. I even have my own like section in the Discord group where you can meet me, you could talk to me. Obviously, if you're new, then you would want to meet me. If you are not new, then you already know who I am, you know where I came from, but I have an intro here that I did not post to the public. It's only for Patreon, or only for HG Access. But then we have Matt's announcements. We'll have my portfolio updates, which I have had a portfolio update today. And then you also see early access to content and different trading if you want to do leverage trading or talk about leverage trading. And you can also look at the premium chat as well that was just set up today. So speaking of trading, also if you want to check out Margex, you want to start trading with Margex, feel free to do that. You can start trading with up to 100x leverage, find your groove and trade with a little bit more money than what you have. If you have $1,000, maybe you could do like a 5x. It won't completely liquidate you. If you end up decreasing by $1, you'll end up seeing the long-term success of that. So you can play it a little bit longer term if you want to. And you can also see that if you want to play it a little bit more risky, you can do 100x and believe that it's going to absolutely skyrocket from the moment that you invest at. So definitely go ahead and check that out. The link to Margex will be in the description and you can sign up today. There's a bunch of people that are having success with it. I think, over 200 something people have signed up and, 50, 60 people are using it right now. And they're all talking about how it's a great platform. Honestly, I'm not lying to you. I believe it is. Another thing with HG Access is the fact that we have about 612 members with about 40 paid members. So you're continuously seeing the increase in the amount of members that are there. So definitely go ahead and be one of those. And let me know that you're over there. Go over to, the Matt's Manor. Go over to this area and just chat it up in the general chat and let me know that you're here. But anyways, let's talk about XRP. If we look at the entire crypto market, it's good to see that everything is up. It's good to see that the market is up by 1.6%, or almost 1.7, and we're looking at almost a $1.67 trillion market cap, almost $1.7 trillion market cap. Bitcoin's dominance is rising, so we're seeing a lot of what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is up to 44,000 again from being down to about 40,000, almost 40, like high 40,000s. And low $41,000 mark. You're seeing Ethereum that's sitting at about 22 or 2300. If you see BNB, that has actually been pretty positive this whole entire time. You are seeing it down in the last 7 days, but it has been pretty positive this whole entire time. It hasn't really taken too much of a hit. Solana did take a hit below 100 and now is seeing an increase. But let's talk about XRP really quick. XRP is currently standing at a level of 58 cents. This dropped all the way down to about 51 cents. So seeing that comeback, you could have made a decent amount from it, whether you were looking at a short-term play or you're even looking at a long-term play, right? I was able to buy more at a level of like 55 because by the time I got to it and found some money that I can, buy with, um, it ended up increasing to a level of 55. It happened very, very quickly to decrease and increase there, but is currently sitting at a $31.7 billion market cap with a $1.5 billion in volume. We look at the last 7 days, it is down 7% from where it was. It's trying to approach those 63-cent levels again. I did buy 1,000 yesterday, and guess what? I do plan on buying another 1,000 or maybe even 2,000 coming very, very soon. Now, the reason why I'm deciding to buy so much XRP is because I do believe in the concept of it. I do believe in where it's going to be. Now, is it 100% that it will be in those places? No, it's not 100%. But for me, I have a strong feeling that it is going to be, right? Like 70, 80, 90% chance that we're going to see that end up happening. So if we look at my position that I do have, I now have 12,388 XRP in my possession. Now I do have a little bit more when you look at Kraken. I have a little bit over on Kraken, but mainly this is how much I do have, which is worth about $7,265.99. So honestly, I see this going to so much further, and with this extra 2,000, it now opens the door for me to hold 10,000 for a lot longer. So I want to go through what my exit strategy will be, and I'm going to show you what that exit strategy will be in another video. I don't want to make this like too long of a video, but I just wanted to talk how much I have and what I do plan on buying. Now, when I talk about what I plan on buying, now I have currently, like I said, 12,388 XRP. I plan on buying another $900 more, and then later down the line, maybe like 7 days from now or 7 days from then, I'm gonna buy another maybe $900 or $1,000. So I want to get closer and closer to holding 20,000 XRP, and then we'll see if we can make our way to holding 30,000 XRP. I think 20,000 XRP was our goal, but I think our maximum goal is like 30,000. And if we come into a bunch of money and we want to hold 40,000, then that'll be our next goal. But all of this has to happen, I would say, before it hits like 80 cents. I don't want to see 80 cents. If I see 80 cents, I'm pretty much done buying, right? Because it's not saying that it can't go well above 80 cents. It's just that's the type of margin that I really want to have, right? From 80 cents up to levels of 5, 10, less than $1, because I don't want to be at that dollar level to get to the next dollar. I want to be at less than $1, because whenever you see gains, let's say up to a level of $1, $5, $10, or whatever, I want mine to be like kind of a 100% gain when I reach right before that level of $1. Typically, you'll see a pullback around the 75, 80-cent level, or an even 90-cent level, before it does, like it'll start to retrace back down to like the halfway point, 50 cents, 60 cents, something like that. We saw that with XRP up to 90 cents, decrease back down to 50 cents. Typically, it's only going to decrease to 60, but XRP had a little bit more of a hit. So I'm interested to see how all of this does play out. I'm going to give you guys my my exit strategy in the next video, the next XRP video I have. I'm going to talk about when I'm going to start selling XRP, because I know there's people that are wondering, like, when are you going to make your initial move to make you feel comfortable about what you are holding. And I will go through that in my next video. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out HG Access. The link is down below. And if you guys want to sign up for Margex, again, that link is at the top of the description. I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.